Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now today let us see the question over here, find the value of, this is the question. Now let us solve. So here 243 can be written as, if we take the factors of that, we can write that as 3 raised to 5 and this n by 5, that will be as it is. And again we can do this dot means that is the multiplication. Let us write this the same, divided by this 9 can be written as 3 raised to 2 and that n as it is, and this again the same. So further what we can do, we can cut this and this one. So what remains here is 3 raised to n into 3 raised to, this will be the same, that is 3 raised to 2n plus 1, and here it is going to be 3 raised to 2n into 3 raised to n minus 1. So now what we can do here, we can see that this base are the same. So what will we do here? We know the formula a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So now what will we do here? We will write here 3 common. So we are going to add the exponents. Same for the denominator. After adding these exponents, what we can do? We can take the like terms together. So this is going to be, this is n, this is n. Again, this is n, this is n. So what is that going to be? That will be 3n plus n, 1, that will be. And the denominator is going to be again 3 in this one raised to 3n minus 1. So now what we can see here, again here the base is the same. So we have the formula a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that is a raised to m minus n. So we can use the formula that over here. So this is going to be 3. The numerator is going to be the same. The denominator, we are going to put a bracket because there are 2 terms here. This bracket is very important because this is one term, this is other term. If you don't write a bracket, it is going to be minus 3 and this minus 1, that will be wrong. So now what will be that? Will be 3 raised to, now let us remove expand. So this into this and this into this, that is going to be plus 1. So now what we can see, this and this gets cancelled out. So what remains is 3 raised to this 1 plus 1, that is 2, and which is 9. So this is the final answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.